Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we're writing capital letter alphabet. Stay with us. First opening colors emerald green color. Kids, the next one is warm gray color. Yes, mint blue color. Wow, so many colors. Baby blue color. Light violet color. Forest green color. Lavender color. Stay with us. Rose silk color. Geranium color. And the next one is vivid green color. Wow, so many colors. Pale blue light color. Scarlet color, scarlet color. The next one is coral red color. Kids, now we open the color of rose big color. Black color, black color. And the last one is pale pink color. Today we're writing capital letter alphabet. Stay with us. First we're writing the alphabet of A. A for apple, A for ant. A. The next one is B. B for ball, B for bat. C. D. D for dog, D for doll. E for egg, E for elephant. Now we're writing F. F for fish, F for fan. F. G for God. And the next one is H. H for hand. I for eyes, I for ice cream. I. Now we're writing J. J for jackfruit. And the next one is K. K. L. M for moon, M for mango. And the next one is N. N for nose, N for nest. O. P for penguin. Q. R for rose, R for rice. So now we're writing S. S for snack. S. T. U for umbrella. V for vanilla. W. And the next one is X. Y. And the last one is Z. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.